process begins here, deep in the tropics, where the bananas are left to ripen under the golden sun before the harvest.
The first step is selecting the perfect fruit, grown right here in our gardens.
The process begins here in the garden, where ripe yellow bananas are carefully harvested by hand.
We have to ensure the ripeness is perfect before we transfer them to the factory for processing.
Once harvested, the bananas are crated up and loaded onto trucks here in the garden, ready for transport to the factory.
Once harvested, the bananas are quickly loaded onto trucks to begin their journey to the factory.
It all begins with the arrival of the raw material.
The process begins as the raw ingredients arrive. This NextGen production truck is delivering the fresh yellow bananas we need. Welcome to NextGen Production. This is the world's largest banana bread factory, and today we're going inside to see the full process.
These look perfect, just in time. Great, let's get them on the line.
Keep the line moving, and we have 2 more trucks waiting.
Roger that. Bring in the next pallet now.
First, large quantities of ripe, yellow bananas are gently poured onto the main conveyor belt to begin the manufacturing process.
The first batch is moving smoothly. Excellent, the new line is working perfectly.
The journey begins as thousands of pounds of ripe, yellow bananas arrive daily at the factory loading dock, ready for processing. Here at NextGen Production, every batch of bananas is meticulously scanned and tracked from the moment it arrives. The finest yellow bananas are selected and begin their journey down the conveyor belt, captured here in ultra-slow motion.
This automated sorting system at NextGen Production ensures only the highest quality fruit moves forward, instantly rejecting any substandard bananas. Once the bananas arrive at the processing facility, they are quickly
The process begins with the careful inspection of only the ripest yellow bananas, ensuring NextGen food safety standards are met at every step. Once the ripe yellow bananas arrive, the automated peeling machines activate, processing the fruit with incredible speed and precision.
Here we see the fully peeled, ripe yellow bananas rapidly moving down the line. an essential step in the manufacturing process here at NextGen Production.
Once the fruit is processed, the skins are immediately transported to the recycling center, streamlining the entire operation.
Next, the freshly peeled bananas are moved rapidly into the industrial pulpers, beginning the transformation into a smooth, consistent puree.
Next, the bananas are rapidly transported to the crushing mechanism. These high-speed stainless steel blades can...
The bananas are processed into a thick, vibrant puree, which is then carefully inspected for consistency before moving to the mixing stage.
Here we see the freshly processed yellow banana pulp. It moves along the conveyor system, maintaining that perfect, creamy texture.
Digital gauges ensure the banana pulp meets the exact viscosity requirements before moving to the mixing stage.
The flow rate on the mixers is slightly low here.
Yes, I saw that. Adjusting the parameters now.
Here we see the massive vats where the yellow banana pulp is carefully stored at precise temperatures around 4 degrees Celsius.
Here at NextGen Production, these massive tanks slowly rotate, blending the yellow bananas and flour into the perfect batter.
After meticulous inspection, the ripe yellow bananas are moved to the pulping section. Here,
The process begins here. Towering silos store the high-quality flour, which is then transported through these pipes to the mixers.
The process begins as the finest sugar granules are prepared to be mixed with the ripe yellow bananas.
Alerts. The massive industrial heaters rapidly liquefy the butter, preparing it for the mixing stage.
Here we see the advanced sensors adjusting the moisture levels, a critical step in maintaining the perfect consistency of the banana bread dough.
The digital recipe dashboard is the heart of the operation, meticulously controlling the precise mixture of flour.
In this time lapse, the raw ingredients are rapidly combined in our massive vats, ensuring a perfect, consistent blend every time.
After baking, the loaves are aligned on these high-speed conveyor belts, moving towards the cooling area. The loaves travel deep into the glowing heart of the oven, where precise temperatures ensure a perfect, even bake every single time.
The massive ovens must maintain extreme precision, holding steady at exactly 180 degrees Celsius for the perfect bake.
The loaves are emerging from the oven, the heat creating that perfect golden crust we look for. The NextGen...
Here at NextGen Production, every loaf of banana bread undergoes rigorous inspection to ensure perfect quality before packaging.
The freshly baked banana loaves emerge, golden brown and ready for cooling.
Ensure the fans maintain maximum output. We need that core temperature down before packaging.
Next, the loaves move into the automated slicer, where high-speed blades cut them with precision.
Inside this modern bread factory, the full process continues as high-speed machines precisely open the wrappers for the banana bread.
Here at NextGen Production, the golden loaves are meticulously packaged, ensuring they remain fresh from our factory to your table.
Once cooled, the loaves are automatically wrapped and branded with the iconic logo before moving to final casing.
As the banana bread moves down the line, advanced inkjet systems print precise QR codes onto the foil.
Once packaged, the banana bread loaves move rapidly down the line to receive their crucial date and batch numbers. Inside the NextGen production facility, these robotic arms handle the final stage, stacking the world's largest supply of banana bread.
Once cooled, the banana bread is boxed and labeled for international export, ready to be shipped across the globe. Once stacked, the pallets are automatically rotated and wrapped in a durable stretch film, ensuring the product's integrity.
Once the banana bread is cooled and packaged, high-reach forklifts transport the finished goods to the warehouse for distribution.
The process begins here in the warehouse, where we manage the massive inventory of fresh bananas and flour required for our daily production.
Here at the NextGen facility, efficiency is key. Every loaf of banana bread is carefully placed.
This is absolutely delicious, honey. The best batch yet.
I'm so glad
you like it.
It really is perfect, Dad.